Hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. So Mana, certainly the trend has not shifted yet. The trend is still down. We saw a reaction here to the golden ratio, 49.4 cent level, no 49.9 cent level, and at the same time the channel support. So we briefly dropped below it, and we now have a chance to create a wave 4, or Mana could even break out. But again, this is just speculative, but it hit the 61.8 fib level, the lower boundary line of the channel. So you can see how relevant this is, yeah, the channel. The thing is just now it needs to deliver. So if it doesn't deliver now and makes one more low, it could do as follows. First of all, it could follow Bitcoin, Ethereum to create this fourth wave. I think some coins are doing this at the moment, and then we could get one more low. Again, hitting channel support and then starting to create the third wave. That's certainly still a possibility, but for now the trend hasn't shifted. In the end, it has only really come 50% into the support area. If it breaks through straight away, I'm very honest with you, that would be a warning signal. Actually, I'd like it not to break below the channel, even though that's not like invalidation or anything. It would just seem like another increase in negative momentum. Not good. Well, so that would be a warning signal if we drop down, but the main level that is relevant is the 40.5 cent level here, the 78.6 retrace. Below that level, as you know, it's getting unlikely that we are still going to get that third wave to the upside, but not impossible. Yeah, it's all probabilities. It is all probabilities. So for now, however, I can assure you we have not changed the trend. At least we cannot see it. We have no signal. Downside momentum has actually increased a little bit yesterday. We probably get a bit of a slow Saturday, and maybe we get this fourth wave. What would be key resistance for the fourth wave? Now it's a bit of micro counting here, but we can look at this kind of resistance area between 52.8 cents. Yeah, that's a 23.6 retracement. The ideal level is 38.2 fib retracement at 55.6 cents. And the maximum it should really do in the fourth wave is 57.8 cents. Ideally, it doesn't go above that. If it does, okay, it could still be a diagonal. But at some point, you know, it shouldn't do something like that. That would be a bit out of proportion. But yeah, let's see if we find a reaction to that resistance area. We've got a similar one for Bitcoin, Ethereum. And then ideally, we should make one more low, even though it doesn't need it. So my view is if we break above 57.8, then we need to, by the way, then we're also leaving the green support area. Then we need to be on high alert that things could be changing, and a break above the descending trend channel's upper boundary line would be a really good confirmation that the downtrend is over. And then we talk about $1 plus. But so far, we need to remain focused on the downside still, because so far we haven't really seen an impulse to the upside. Either way, Mana is one of the stronger coins, as it seems, in this current retracement. A lot of the altcoins have already dropped closer to the 78.6 fib, whereas Mana is actually holding quite well. Let's see if it continues to stay like that. As you need to know that below the 40.5 cent level, this chart will turn into something more bearish, and the bears will get in control of the steering wheel and most likely drive Mana to new lows. And if we can see that coming, then I will adjust the chart, and then I will also try to identify a wave count here that could lead to another low, and then the possible targets. But I'm very honest with you, I mean, from what we see here at the moment, the move up looks impulsive, the move down so far looks corrective, but it could always be a wave 1 of an ending diagonal of sorts if it's bearish. But ideally, this is just the ABC correction as outlined here, following the corrective price channel, and ideally eventually breaking to the upside from here. Okay, that's my update about Mana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.